Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So as you know that the OneUi 8 update is right around the corner and the green line issue is still there. In this video I will tell you that how you guys can avoid that green line issue on your device. Talking specifically about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so there's no as such green line issue on this device, but for the Galaxy S23 users on Twitter, they are complaining that they're getting the green line issue after the OneUi 8 update. So why take the risk on the Galaxy S24 series as well? So to avoid this issue, simply you have to make sure that you update your device or install your device in a cold environment and avoid applying pressure on these bottom corners. To avoid overheating, make sure your device is without a cover during the installation or the downloading process. These are some of the precautions that you guys can take to avoid the green line issue on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. I have updated this Galaxy S24 Ultra on OneUi 7, but I didn't got the green line issue or any other issue. Even on my Galaxy S22 series, I followed these precautions and avoided the green line issue. So you guys can try these precautions out and let me know in the comment section that have you got the OneUi 8 update on your Galaxy S24 Ultra or not yet. As the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out in other regions as well. Previously it was only limited to Korea, but now today it is released in the UK. And soon after the 25th of September, it will be available in other regions as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick precaution that you guys can take to avoid the green line issue on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section that have you updated your device on the OneUi 8 or have you got the OneUi 8 update or not yet in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.